Please be cautious of overdoing your reverb and delays. Reverb sounds very attractive, it's pleasing to the ear, but you need to remember, especially if you're making music for the club, that the room that the music is going to be played in is a natural reverb in itself. So if your track is too wet with reverb, it's going to have the added room reverb on top of it, and tracks often sound quite thin. When I first started making tracks, I used to love the sound of reverb, and I'd have reverb on everything, and then I'd play them in the club, and exactly that, they would sound really thin, and I couldn't work it out. So what I do now is I pull back the reverb, and if anything, I'll put it on a bus, so I'll maintain those original dynamics, but I'll put the reverbs and the delays underneath, so you kind of get the best of both worlds. It's a bit different to the dry and wet on a plugin, because you're still running it through the plugin. So try bussing your effects and don't get too excited with reverb and delay. Peace.